In this walkthrough, I'm using default mode in Speechactors. Default mode turns written text into a finished voiceover. I write or paste my script, choose voices, adjust delivery, generate speech, and then manage the finished audio. This is the script editor. Default mode works with blocks, so I can split a script into smaller sections instead of one long wall of text. Each block can use the project default voice, or I can choose a different voice for that block. When I click the voice button, I can search voices, filter by language, preview voices, favorite voices, choose HD voices, and select a style if the voice supports styles. For standard voices, I can add manual pauses when a narration needs breathing room. I can also adjust tone, speaking rate, volume, and pitch. If a word needs custom pronunciation, I can select it and tell Speechactors how it should sound. This is useful for names, brands, acronyms, and tricky words. Before generating the full voiceover, I can preview one block to check how it sounds. Now I'll quickly show the default mode settings. Paste method controls what happens when I paste text. Split into blocks breaks long pasted text into smaller editable sections. Paste as single block keeps everything together. Default voice is the voice new blocks use automatically in this project. I can change it anytime. Pronunciation Dictionary saves custom pronunciations for this project. Future generations will use those saved rules. Now I'll click Generate Speech. Speechactors creates the voiceover using the script blocks, selected voices, styles, pauses, tone settings, and pronunciation rules.
Welcome.
Generation usually takes just a few seconds, so I'll wait for it to finish. Generation usually takes just a few seconds for shorter scripts. Longer text may take longer to generate, but the app will keep checking until the audio is ready. Now the generated audio is ready. It appears in Audios. I can play it, rename it, open its saved script if available, reuse that script in the editor, download the clean audio, add background music, merge it with other voiceovers, or delete it. Search helps when I have many generated voiceovers. I can quickly find older files by name. Now I'll add background music. I click Add Background Music on this voiceover. The music panel has built-in tracks and uploaded tracks. I can preview music by itself, then preview it together with the voiceover before applying it. The background volume slider controls how loud the music is under the voice. For narration, music should stay low enough that every word is clear. I can also upload my own MP3, add a title, and use it like any other music track. When I click Apply Background Music, Speechactors creates the mixed version. The final mixed audio ends when the voiceover ends, so the music does not keep playing after the narration. Once it's ready, I can play the version with background music. Now the download menu gives me two options: download the clean audio or download the audio with background music. Next is merge. Merge combines multiple voiceovers into one longer audio file. I enter select mode, choose at least 2 voiceovers, and click merge. I can merge up to 10 voiceovers at a time. In the merge window, I name the new file and set the order. The numbered badges show the exact playback order. When I click Merge Voiceovers, Speechactors creates a new merged item. The merged voiceover works like any other audio item. I can play it, rename it, download it, add background music, or delete it. That is default mode. Write the script, choose voices, adjust delivery, generate speech, then finish the audio with downloads, background music, and merge.